Ibig sabihin, hindi siya magaling na editor. Yung nag-i-edit ng content for you, nag-i-edit lang para mema pasa. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, or if business owner ka, or if you're a content creator na looking for an editor, or you're editing yourself, isa sa mga magandang characteristics na dapat may hinahanap sa editor is hindi lang yung marunong mag-cut or yung maglagay ng mga effects. I'm telling you that ang differentiator nito is if you give this file to an marunong lang mag-edit and a master editor, the output would be way different. Even if they have the same material.
Tapos yung magaling na editor, alam niya kahit sobrang ganda pa ng sinabi mo dyan, iuumit niya yan, tatanggalin niya yan kasi hindi siya fit doon sa story.
Yes, oo. I would bet as well na kahit yung editor lang, sobrang dami niyang parang ilalagay na graphics, effects, and all. Tapos itong master editor, subtitle lang, background music, mas tatalunin pa siya. Bakit? Because that master editor is capable of really leaning in, finding those right little words na ipagkakasunod-sunod. Maybe this is the slightest tweak. Yung nag-i-edit ng content for you, nag-i-edit lang para mema pasa.